Hello.
Hello, how can I help you?
I need a shopping basket.
Here you are.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I need some milk.
The milk is over there.
Where is the bread?
It is on that shelf.
I also need eggs.
The eggs are in the fridge.
How much is this apple?
It is $1.
These bananas look fresh.
Yes, they are very fresh.
I will take these oranges.
Good choice.
Do you have rice?
Yes, we do.
I need some sugar.
It is in aisle 3.
Can I have a bottle of water?
Of course.
I want some cheese.
The cheese is next to the butter.
Do you sell coffee?
Yes, it's on the top shelf.
I think that's everything.
Great.
Please put these in a bag.
No problem.
How much is the total?
The total is $20.
Here is the money.
Thank you.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, you can.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
You too. Goodbye.